Good morning, fellow gardeners. This is Paul, and thanks for checking out Leucospermum Veldfire, also known as the Veldfire Pincushion Protea. Now, it has really interesting flowers here, and they're in bloom right around Easter time in Southern California Zone 9B. You can see the beautiful yellow anthers. Here's one that opened up a little later, so you can see the beautiful orange and red colors inside there. Now, these flowers attract birds and bees, and they're rich in nectar, so nectar-eating creatures really enjoy these flowers. Now, I enjoy them when they look like this, when they're in this stage, just about to open up. Reminds me of tarantula, or hairy tarantula legs, I guess you could say. Now, this will bloom one time per year. These are South African natives, and they don't like any phosphorus. So you do not want to give these plants any phosphorus fertilizer. In fact, I don't fertilize them at all. And they're drought tolerant once established. They have really beautiful foliage. Here's the young growth here. It's really soft and velvety. And it will harden more like cardboard, the leaves, in time. Now, it could be due to our soil, but we do get some of this burned leaf tip on some of the leaves. You can see. And it's always happened. It could be due to maybe the soil, or the fact that there might be some residual fertilizer in the soil too. So it's just one observation I've noticed about this plant. Again, you can see the burned leaf tips here. But it thrives in this condition. Now, some people give them full sunlight. I like to give them a little bit of afternoon shade in my climate, inland Southern California, inland San Diego, Zone 9B. Just beautiful, prolific blooms. They're in different stages, which I like. So you have cut flowers for at least a month, maybe a little longer. This one is developing. And here's an earlier stage in the bloom cycle. So just a really wonderful plant. It'll get about 6 feet in time, 8 feet wide or so. And it's cold hardy, down to about freezing. People have reported them doing fine down to 25 degrees for short durations. Now, I read online this is a hybrid between Ember Pincushion Protea and the Gray Tree Pincushion Protea. I'm not 100% sure if that's accurate, but I would guess that it is a beautiful hybrid, as you can see. So there you go with the Leucospermum Veldfire. I call this the Veldfire Pincushion Protea. And hopefully you could see why we call it that. These beautiful anthers. Just one of my favorite flowers. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for your time. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.